Hi, first graders. Welcome back to math this week. You have already, the past couple of weeks, been working really hard on adding groups of tens, groups of ones, putting them together, adding some pretty big numbers. Okay. Well, last week, we talked about how if you have tens and ones, you can put them together. So if you have 32 plus 14, we can put our ones together. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we can put our tens together. 3 plus 1 is 4 tens, 46. But what do you do if your ones add up to a number that's bigger than 9? Let's say we have 37 plus 14. Well, now I have 7 ones and 4 ones. 7 plus 4 is 11. Can I put 2 digits in that spot? No, we're going to find out how to do this. So let's look up here for just a minute. Okay. Right now I have the number 78. So I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have 8 ones. So here are my 7 tens, that's my 70, and then here are my 8 ones. They almost make a 10, okay? And we're gonna add 2 more ones. Well, if I add 2 more ones, look at just my ones here. What is 8 plus 2? So 8 plus 1, 2. It's another 10. So we're going to just count it with the tens. Now, how many tens do I have? Not 7, I just got 1 more. So now I have 7 tens plus 1 more 10. 8 tens, and I don't have any ones. And my 8 tens are worth 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So sometimes, if you have too many ones, they can make a 10. And you have to go and move it over to the tens and count it as a 10. Okay, so let's look at this with a different number. Okay, let's go back to my 78. Okay, so you agree I have 7 tens. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I have my ones. They don't quite make a 10. So we're going to count them as ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 78. 7 tens, 8 ones. This time I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more ones. So now we have 7 tens, 8 ones over here, and 5 ones over here. Well, let's go ahead and make this another 10. So we're going to put 2 of them over here, 1, 2, to make this a 10. So now we have 8 groups of 10. And how many ones are still over here? 3. So 78 plus 5 equals 83. 8 tens and 3 ones. Okay. I want you to try to practice this today on your workbook pages. So go to pages 130 all the way through to 132. So that means pages 130, 131, 132. Complete those workbook pages and try to practice making your ones into a 10 so that you can figure out your answer. All right, so practice that today. You can do it on your whiteboard as well, and then we'll practice it again in our next lesson. Okay, bye-bye.